Oh, she's a happy baby. She's a happy baby. Oh, she's a happy baby. Yes, she loves to laugh. Yes, she loves to laugh. Oh, she's a happy baby. Yes, she's a happy baby. Yes, she loves to laugh. Oh, yes, she loves to laugh.
Japsai or japsai. It's like a translucent noodle. And then you also got the Okinawan steamed wheat gluten, and then some asparagus type stuff. And then we got this radish, and then braised seaweed. And then these are like little meat dumplings. This is more of a Korean dish, and then the rest over here is Okinawan. And they always offer about 2 Korean options because there's a lot of Korean tourists that come to the hotel here. And then if you wanted to see the view that we have, it's quite beautiful. You can actually see Naha all the way down there to the south of the island. But it's a great day, and Juliet seems to be enjoying it too. She had her breakfast about a half hour ago. Alright, so for breakfast we have dessert. I got a fruit parfait with nuts, almonds type things on it. It's even got some dragon fruit on it. And then I also have a pastry, which you can kind of see a lot of these like in Europe, I forget what they're called. And then over here is a rice cake. It's like a gooey little, kind of like a soft little gooey thing. It's pretty delicious. Little red beans that are really sweet, and they're quite delicious. And then Cassandra has more of the same things that I had. And then Juliet's still happy because she had her breakfast about a half hour ago.
Juliet is now eating her second course. Those yummy toes. Just going at it.
It's a pretty nice hotel, Hilton Doubletree. Here's our room. I got a little room for the toilet, which is an electric toilet. So you flush with all these functions here, bidet, all that stuff. Then you got a room for just for the sink. And then in the shower, you could either have a roof shower, or from the, I guess, the spigot or whatever. Or you could have a bath. You just stand here, and it drains all on there. And then for our room itself, there's our closet. And then our 2 full-size beds, because everything in Japan is kind of smaller than normal. And we also have a great view. Got my jiu-jitsu uniforms drying out from yesterday. But yeah, there's American Village, and we got a great view of the sunset too. It sets right over there. Should set in a little less than 2 hours from now. We're just waiting on our home that we got. So we just picked the lease up yesterday. We got to get it signed with all this red tape type of stuff for the military, and then we should be able to move in by the 1st. People lining up to watch the sunset. No more sun. Boom, ba, boom, 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 boom. Linda, 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 Linda,